So we're going to Waterrock
Knob.
On the Blue Ridge Parkway or off the Blue Ridge Parkway. So I'll tell you a little bit about this trail. We went 3/10. How far up we went? 261 feet up, but it feels like it's 1,000 feet. I don't know. I mean, there's no zigzags.
Waterrock Knob. Waterrock Knob.
I guess it's like, you know how people geocache? Only it's for radio. It's like a hobby. They try to pick up other countries. I guess. I don't know. Alright, so we saw, yeah, it was. You picked a good one. So we saw people with ham radios.
Why is it ham?
I don't know. Melanie and I are unfamiliar with it. So if you know what that is and what it does, comment below and tell us. Okay, we're off the beaten trail now. That's up to you. This is a dense forest. Very pretty. So 5 stars.
Well, it was like 4.5.
4.5 stars. Melanie said is moderate on all trails. It is uphill all the way, so if you do come and do this, I would suggest bringing some decent traction shoes, wouldn't you say?
Oh yeah, with all the rocks.
Yeah, with all the rocks. Maybe even a couple hiking poles if you're uneasy on unlevel ground, or uneven ground. But overall, I would say if you're on the Blue Ridge and you're out near Cherokee or Silva or Waynesville, this is a definite. You got to do this. Beautiful, beautiful views.